Hello, my name is DrMatt. I'm with the Personal Injury Institute. If you click on this video, then you've received an email, and I appreciate your time. I'll keep this quick so you can kind of get a gist of what we have to offer, and you get to decide if you want your private consultation. But this concept of marketing as well as case management has come across from a couple of different states. I had practices in New York State and as well as practices in Texas. And I learned how to develop different strategies of case management by working within the insurance industry. My consultants had worked for State Farm, Farmers, Allstate, and I began to sit with them and understand their concepts related to case management, which gave me insights that I wasn't aware clinically before. And so in this process of case management, we need to understand these concepts thoroughly if we're going to do any service to the patient and or client for an attorney. Many of you are working in states where you may not be that interested in helping an attorney be more profitable, but if you do desire referrals from attorneys, you do need to understand case management, not from a legal perspective or even a chiropractic perspective or medical perspective, but from the perspective of the insurance companies, those that are reviewing these files, those that are looking at these files to decide whether these cases are worth the money that's requested or not. And so over various states and various cities, I have doctors in over 50 cities as well as over 25 states. This concept of marketing is a unique strategy, unique protocol that's allowing doctors to be successful and making sure that their patients receive the best possible care. And so this concept will offer you many different strategies. You'll offer you a protocol on understanding Colossus and the software system and how it operates in terms of how records are reviewed and making sure that your records are consistent with the information that's deliverable to the insured. We go through a documentation process, a thorough process, making sure that your records will be sound, making sure that they're efficient, certainly different from the systems we've been taught in chiropractic college, but specifically in a professional market of being a personal injury doctor, making sure your records are going to be very potent. I'm a peer-reviewed doctor, so I have strategies to assist you with that process as well. Then we have a specialized billing protocol, making sure that your records will be submitted in a particular process, making sure that your records will and your diagnoses will be consistent with the injuries that were diagnosed with your patient. If you ever wondered why you only had 4 diagnoses per case and on average why that was standard, we'll share that information and why you need to consider looking at your patients from a new perspective, looking at your patients from a structural perspective, and we'll show you some unique strategies. Then we have a very unique marketing protocol. In my relationships with different insurance professionals, I've worked on strategies and helping doctors be able to attain dozens of cases on a monthly basis from a very legal and ethical source that you'll be proud to be able to work with. Then we have a marketing concept to attorneys. We'll share with you how you should be marketing to attorneys. Attorneys want one of two things. They want you to be able to assist them with case management as well as bring them referrals. But they also want you to help them be more profitable. And if you can't assist them with that, if I were an attorney, I would not consider referring to a doctor that can't assist them with proper case management. So we're going to show you all the ins and outs, what you should say, what you shouldn't say. Then we have a brand new concept in working with medical doctors. It's called MD validations. Brand new process of case management where you have medical doctors to assist you with your cases as well as give you an overview and looking at your record, making sure they are consistent with what records should look like. Then we have also an imaging protocol. We need to work on imaging because, believe it or not, imaging specialists are missing case potential that you cannot miss anymore. So we're going to show you exactly how to work with imaging specialists as well as provide a team of imaging specialists that understand these concepts that will be able to review records for you thus giving you a very powerful platform, making sure that your cases are as bulletproof as possible. So we're going to put you through the gamut. We have 7 modules of one-on-one training. Each module is roughly an hour and a half, and I guarantee my product. Many consultants out there are not providing much in terms of any support. I will give you your money back if after the first 3 modules you're not completely satisfied that you're getting the information that you need. Just let me know and we'll sign off. But we will do these modules one-on-one, so I believe this information is uniquely powerful, and doctors have been doing phenomenally well across the country with these concepts. So whether you're in a large market, small market, whether you're in a no-fault state or a lien state where you're working with attorneys directly on every single case, we have a protocol as well as understanding of insurance law, so that you can make sure your cases go according to those principles. So this is not any sly angle. This is a direct, solid training program. We have, like I said, we have doctors in over 25 states and over 50 cities, and so we pretty much have the protocol set. So feel free to send me a quick email. I'd love to chat with you and set up a time to have a consult, and we'll discuss your desires, where you are in practice, whether you have 5 practices or 15 practices, or if you're just out of school and 4 months in practice, I can get you up to speed very quickly. I have doctors that have been in practice for 30 years and some just a few months, and so we can get you the information that's going to put you in a unique position. You'll be certified from Personal Injury Institute and 2 different protocols. And so shoot me an email or give me a buzz. Love to chat with you live, and we'll get you where you need to be. Thanks.